Well, hello everyone. I am going to take you through how to book an appointment on Pierce College's Writing Center's scheduling system, which looks a little bit different as of winter quarter 2023. They've rebuilt it and it looks a little bit different, and the process of making an appointment is different. So first of all, you'll see that the two schedules that we have currently, there's a drop-down list for the schedules. So choose whether you want to be on campus or do your appointment online. I'm choosing the on-campus schedule. Scroll down past this window that just describes how to book an appointment and gives you a little video. And you'll see that instead of a calendar, which is what we usually have, now there's find an appointment frame where you choose the date and choose the time. And so you can do that in a couple of ways. You can either type that in, whatever date you want, or you can use the calendar icon to choose whatever date you want and choose the time that you want. And the staff that you're looking for, and then just go find appointments. And scroll down again, and you'll see that there are now perfect matches for your appointment or near matches. And so you can choose which one you want. Let's say I choose this perfect match, and I can make it either an hour or half an hour as I choose. Fill in the appointment details, upload my draft or appointment assignment brief if I want to. And I think I have to fill in some details in particular. So let's say I want to just do some brainstorming. And I'm not uploading my assignment right now because I don't have a draft. And I'll explain the assignment prompt. So I'll create the appointment. And you'll see there it is, pops up. Now you can go in and edit that. You can attach files here. You can cancel the appointment. You can print it if you want to. But your appointment is now there and you can close it. This will take you back to the original appointment scheduling window. And now if you drop down over here where it says today's appointment, you can see that you actually have an upcoming appointment on January 17th. And this is where you can also open that back up and edit your appointment if you want to, or attach some files if you want to. So it's a pretty easy process now to make an appointment. Same thing goes for the online schedule. Again, scroll down past the information, and you can just make an appointment in the same way, either an online live appointment with a tutor or a written feedback appointment. Now you can go to I've also linked to our Canvas page where we have step-by-step instructions on how to make an appointment. If you aren't already registered for our Writing Center Resources Canvas site, then go ahead and register for that, and then you have information there. And so that gives you a step-by-step process of how to book an appointment. And another thing I want to show you is if you really like the old calendar view, you can always go to that display. And this is the way the schedule used to look. And you can go ahead and book an appointment the way you used to by clicking on one of the open white squares and making the appointment that way. So hopefully that explains how to use the new booking system. Let us know if you have any issues. You need to register on the site first, of course, and get in touch. We look forward to seeing you in the Writing Center or online soon.